The parents of a teenager who was found dead on a Mississippi barrier island are speaking out tonight. Good evening. Thanks for watching. I'm Katie Moore.
And I'm Sharice Gibson. The parents of Nolan Wells say there are suspicious circumstances that are surrounding their son's death a couple of days after the 4th of July. Now, a nationally known civil rights activist is trying to help them get answers. Meg Ferris has the latest.
Nolan is the kindest soul. He never met a stranger. He loved everybody. He didn't care if you were black, white, purple, green, looked like a marshmallow. Like, he just wanted everyone to be in peace with one another.
The mother of 18-year-old Nolan Wells spoke about the son she lost earlier this week after he was found dead following an outing to Horn Island with friends to celebrate the 4th of July. At her side Friday in New York were well-known civil rights activists, Reverend Al Sharpton and attorney Ben Crump.
What we've been told does not make sense. And being that there is lack of confidence in the local authorities, who have already, in my judgment, seemed to have mishandled where it was going.
Both suggest racism is playing a role, as Wells appears to be the only black friend in a group of mostly white teenagers. They also say there are too many inconsistencies in the other teens' stories.
A young woman he was talking to says that, well, Nolan said he was going back to get on the boat with the boys. The boys say that Nolan told them he was going to stay and talk to the young woman. It's a contradiction.
The family also questions why the other teens had possession of Wells's car keys and cell phone.
I asked him, he said he went and looked, and so when he said he couldn't find them, I did what I needed. I left out of their home. And like I said, 5 minutes later, he come back out with the keys.
The Jackson County Sheriff's Department did not return our phone calls. A press release says this is being investigated as a death, not a homicide. Autopsy results are pending. Meanwhile, the family's attorney is having an independent autopsy done in Washington, D.C., and the family is also asking that there be no violence over this case in the streets.
Please be peaceful. Right. Nolan was not someone who liked fights, physical fights. He really didn't even like arguments. So don't go out there trying to be tough. Just think about what Nolan would want.
Meg Ferris, WWL, Louisiana.
The family says actor-director Tyler Perry will help pay for the funeral, and former NFL player and activist Colin Kaepernick is paying for their independent autopsy. Both the family and the Jackson County Sheriff's Department are asking for any pictures, video, or any information from the public.